Hey folks, how are you doing? It's nice to have you back on my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share with you my strategy that helps me make money, so do watch this video up to the end. In the description below this video you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions. Besides, you will find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. Send me a direct message in my private Telegram channel and get my personal link for PocketOption registration, which will give you a 50% bonus on your deposit. Now, let's go to PocketOption and get down to trading. Today we're working with the Australian dollar Japanese yen currency pair. The trading amount will be 8% of the initial deposit. I open a down trade for 1 minute. The amount is $200. Each candle on the chart corresponds to 30 seconds of real time. This decision was made due to the fact that the price was in the area of the local maximum, which did not break through for 8 minutes. I also took into account the clear signal of the Williams percent range indicator about a possible price reduction. The signal of the stochastic oscillator indicator said the same thing, but it was much weaker. After some fluctuations, the price goes down. There it is. We earned the first $180 for today. We continue. I want to open only down trades today, and I open a down trade for 1 minute with $200 in. The stochastic and Williams percent range indicators helped in making a decision on this trade, which had clear signals about a possible price decline. Let's watch the price move. The price is just above the entry point into the trade. At the same time, it makes fluctuations. A new candle opens, which is trying to decline. Fluctuations in price make us worry. The price then declines, then rises again. At the same time, the price can neither rise nor fall, fluctuating in a narrow corridor. There is another attempt to reduce. There it is, and our profit is again $180. Not bad. Moving on, and immediately we open another down trade for 1 minute with $200 in. The decision was facilitated again by the signal of the stochastic and Williams percent range indicator about possible price reduction. After entering the trade, the price rose slightly and then began a gradual decline, but having reached the local minimum, it rebounded upwards. At this time, the stochastic and Williams percent range indicators continue to give signals about a possible price decline. The decline in price has intensified. A new candle after its appearance is also actively growing downwards. The trade's closing, there it is, we get another $180 profit. We earn money when the price declines. We go on. The price has reversed, is trying to grow but cannot. I open a down trade for 1 minute. The amount is $200. When deciding on this trade, I took into account the data of the stochastic indicator, whose signal was about a possible decline in price. The Williams percent range did not take the indicator data into account, considering them false. On the chart, we see that the price has decreased, but only by a few positions. The outcome of the completion of the trade cannot be determined yet. After some fluctuations, the price began to grow actively and approached the average line of the downtrend indicator. But after that, it also actively went down and changed the color of the candle from green to red. There it is, and we added to the balance another $180. So far, the payout percentage is stable. And so as a result, we continue. The price has started to grow steadily and we're waiting for the opportunity to open the trade. When the upper limit of the downtrend indicator was reached, the growth slowed down, and I opened a down trade for 1 minute with $200 in. The decision to open the trade was made taking into account the data of the Williams percent range indicator, the lines of which, with an active price increase, it began to occupy a horizontal position, which is a signal for a reversal of the price. As you can see on the chart, the prices are below the entry point of the trade, but they are starting to grow, and again the outcome of the trade is ambiguous. After reaching the entry point, the price begins to fluctuate. The indicators at the same time do not give clear signals. We can only wait. The trade's closing, there it is, great. Despite some excitement of this situation, we received another $180 as a profit. Moving on, the price is actively declining, rebounding. I open a down trade for 1 minute. The amount is $200. When entering the trade, I took into account the decline in price that had begun and their desire to reach the middle line of the downtrend indicator, and also a clear signal of the stochastic and Williams percent range indicator about a possible price reduction. we see that the price having broken through the average line dropped to the lower limit of the downtrend indicator. When having made a small rebound, the oscillation began. A new candle when open tries to grow. The growth is accelerating, but when approaching the opening of the last candle, there is a rebound. And now, the outcome of the trade is obvious. It's in the cards. We're looking, there it is, another $180 add to our balance. And with this trade, our trading session comes to an end for today. Let's recap on the results. We made 6 successful trades and earned $1,080. And this is with the initial balance of $2,694, so we increased the deposit by 40% with the minimal risk of losing the bet. A great result. Today I showed you how to make a profit and what to pay your attention to while trading. But it is essential that you carefully assess the current market situation before entering a trade. I recommend you to use indicators, for this helps reduce the risk and make a profit in the long term. I would like to encourage you guys to keep trading binary options because, as we can see, the analysis techniques are super simple here. And before we say goodbye, in the description below this video you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions you have. You will also find a link to my private Telegram channel there where I share my daily trading signals and more. If you direct message me on my private Telegram channel, you will receive a personal link to PocketOption registration, which will give you a whopping 50% bonus to your deposit for free. Now, dear friends, this is a pretty nice offer, and I do hope you found this video useful. Thank you for being with me all this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please like it, subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you don't miss anything. That's about all for today. Good luck in the market. Take care, folks, and see you soon in the next video.